In today's video, we teach you the basics of the starter step and give you a variation for advanced dancers. What's up, gang? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
And so in this video, we're going to cover the basic starter step, which is likely to start all of our dances, right? With a triple step and an anchor step. So let's talk about some basic concepts for beginners that will also serve us for our advanced variation. So we're going to be moving to the leader's left and the follower's right with a small triple step, and then we're going to establish an anchor step. Now that's the most basic way to do it. There's a bunch of other variations, but that's the one we're working with today. Now, keys to victory, we want to basically collect ourselves on the first triple, and I'll explain why for both you beginners and advanced dancers, but we're going to collect ourselves close on the 1 and 2 so we have some room to extend into the anchor step. If we look at this from the other side, we're going to triple and collect ourselves towards each other so we're able to stretch away. So if you look at this first triple, what's going to happen with my right arm as the leader is I'm going to collect myself to it so I can leave some room for the anchor step. And that's also going to be a super key as we get to our more advanced version, which we'll cover now, a triple step and anchor step. That's our fun advanced version. Let's talk about the footwork that's going to make that possible. All right, leaders, let's talk about our footwork and the lead all at the same time. So we're going to collect ourselves on the first triple step. And then on the next triple step, we're going to rock away, slightly slide this foot out so we can tuck this foot through and establish our anchor. If we gave that numbers, it would be this: 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, establishing our way connection.
Followers, we're going to start going to our right. So we're going to go triple to our right. Now we're going to rock back, replace, and now we're going to pivot and walk back. If we put counts to that, we have 1 and 2 rocking 3 and 4.
All right, all together we collect on the first triple step, we bounce triple step. So a couple of things that might happen, I'm going to actually do this away from the camera. We go triple step, trip. I have to take this foot out of the way for the pull, and then as I scoot this through and I step forward, I've established my away connection, and from this point, if we line ourselves back up down the slot, I'm ready to lead whatever the first pattern is of the dance. I hope you enjoyed that starter step variation. If you want some more beginner style patterns, you can do that here. If you want some more intermediate patterns, we've got you here. And if you haven't yet, head on over to West Coast Swing Online, enter your email address on the first page. You'll become part of our Move of the Week club and get a free membership. You can do that somewhere down here.